Right. First time recording with the Samsung tablet. Thought I'd just give it a try. Bit of a test. Sorry about the incredibly messy desk there. But I just thought I'd actually show you a few things that I've gotten hold of recently. I'm really into cameras at the moment. And this was the latest camera I got from a thrift store for can't remember how much it was, $10 or something. It's a Voigtlander Vito B from 1958 in lovely condition, works completely. A really nice lens on it, and it's very, very clean. So that's that one. Let's see what's next. I would say the next one will be this one. These are my prize finds, really, I'm showing you. This is a Miranda Sensor X from about 1967, 68, something like that. Once again, in absolutely mint condition. Not a scratch or a mark on it. Massive, heavy camera. I love heavy cameras. I love cameras that are really, really heavily built and well engineered. I just love that kind of thing. That was from Value Village, and I think we paid the princely sum of $30 for this. And in my opinion, worth every penny, even as its original metal lens cap still on. Beautiful. Next one, and this is my favorite camera of all my 35mm cameras. This is a Nikomat, and yes, it's the same as a Nikormat, but this one was obviously bought in Japan because if you bought this camera in Japan, it would be called a Nikomat. So somebody's bought this in Japan and brought it all the way back to Canada. Once again, another absolutely mint condition camera. This was made in 1969. The lens is also 1969 from all the serial numbers on it. And it's just an absolute work of art. Absolute work of the camera maker's art. And this was another $30 find at Value Village, along with the Miranda there. Now let's not get carried away and start thinking that you find these every day, because you don't. They're pretty rare to find around here. They're not rare on eBay. You find dozens of them every day on eBay. But you don't find many of them in as good a shape as that. That's for sure. That's in almost mint condition. So them are my favourite cameras I've collected recently. On the bench there, we have a BK Precision variable AC power supply. That is an isolated AC power supply, and I found that at a thrift store, would you believe, for $10. I think they thought it was a battery charger. That is a very, very useful piece of equipment. There's my old multimeter, and here is a new multimeter, and this is from Canadian Tire. They were on sale this week for the sum of $29.99, 50% off from $59.99. And I thought, That's quite good. And when I saw something on it that was very interesting, you might not be able to see it with the light, but there, True RMS. It's an auto ranging True RMS multimeter with backlight for $30, which I think is pretty amazing, to be honest. It works fine. It's very lightweight. It takes two AAA 1.5 volt cells, which is a bit weird. My other multimeter there is manual ranging. Takes a 9 volt battery and is about 10 times heavier than that one. But I suppose technology moves on, and that must be one of the cheapest True RMS multimeters in the world, I'd say. The label is a little bit, there's like an English-French bilingual label that they put on for Canada. But there you go, made in China. Cheap set of probes. I'll be upgrading the probes with some better ones off eBay in the new year, and also ordering some cheap oscilloscope probes, hopefully for the oscilloscope that I will be adding to my collection via the Maritime Man. Or if you've not seen his channel, I would say go and have a look right away, because he's got some great videos. So we've got multimeters, AC power supply, cameras, a mess of tools. What else have we got? The stereo systems there. Two separate stereo systems I have, both vinyl equipped and CD. Quite a few sets of speakers. A bit dark here in the corner, but I do come across a few sets of really good speakers here and there. A few records, not very many. This is about it. I just thought I'd make a quick video because it's so long since I've made a video. You know, people think I'm never going to make one again. There's some more of the cameras. So I've got quite a few Pentaxes there. Some Nikon, a Canon F1, a Kowa, a Nikon F, an Exa that I've done myself with a pen, another Nikon, the inevitable Praktica, and that's about it. I don't really use even my digital cameras anymore. I tend to use the tablet to take pictures with and upload things straight to Flickr. So my old digital cameras are just sat there. I've got a few camcorders there. There's a Hi8 one at the back, two digital DV camcorders at the front. The Hi8 one, the CCD is dead. It plays back tapes, but the CCD is just dead. It's completely black. It's a well-known fault apparently with that model. All sorts of stuff down there. And that's about it. So I hope you enjoyed this little video filler, just to show that my channel isn't dead. And hopefully I'll be making one or two more as the winter progresses. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.